Hi guys, let's review Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro global version smartphone. It supports all Google applications, include Google Play Store. I make a video only for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from 1 pieces. We can make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. We can deliver the smartphones to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou or other city in China. I will put B2B contact link below the video. I will put small order, sample order link below the video. If you like the phone, you can place the order directly. If you want to make B2B business of Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, Note 8 Pro smartphones, you can contact with us. Okay, let's continue to review the smartphone. It is a 6.53-inch IPS LCD display, 19.5 to 9 radio, 395 ppi density. Resolution is 2340 pixels by 1080 pixels. 500 nits max brightness, and its back and front glasses are 5th generation Corning Gorilla glasses. It supports HDR, and its operating system is Android 9.0 Pie operating system. CPU is MTK Heilo G90T. 12 nanometer CPU, octa-core, 2.05 GHz. It supports micro SD card up to 256 GB by micro SD card. Its memory and storage have 6 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM, 128 GB ROM, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, 8 GB RAM, or 256 GB ROM, 8 GB RAM, UFS 2.1. It has 5 cameras. Selfie front camera is 20 megapixel, f2.0 aperture. And its main cameras are corner cameras, 64 megapixel, f1.9 aperture, 8 megapixel, f2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel, f2.4 aperture, 2 megapixel, f2.4 aperture. Big LED flashlight. Here's fingerprint sensor. The battery built-in is 4,500 mAh battery built-in. Supports 9V 2A 18W fast battery charging. It supports fingerprint sensor. Here are all the Google applications, include Google Play Store. Here are all the language menus it supports, global language menus. Type-C to USB 2.0 Type-C to USB port. Supports FM radio. Here is FM radio. Infrared. Here is infrared support infrared light and NFC, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, and Bluetooth 5.0. Now let me show you the camera. We can see the camera details of the smartphone. The phone have color, black color, red color, blue color, white color, and deep sea blue color, midnight blue color, and electronic blue colors. Have some colors to choose. This one is green color. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box. Here's the color box. It will come one piece eject pin, one piece menu. Here are the language menus it supports: English, French, Italian, Spanish, German, Netherlands, Portuguese, and Polish, Greece. Like that, all the language support. This is a warranty certificate. Okay, let's continue. It will come one piece silicone case. One piece Type-C USB cable. One piece charger. The charger is 9V, 2A fast charger. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us in Facebook and Instagram pages. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. If you want to make B2B the business, you can contact with us. We support Globalsend, and we can deliver the smartphones to your forwarded address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China.